Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my all-to go-to resource and tool for everything I need to learn, research, and educate myself about when it comes to my career industry of tax preparation and taxation. This is the IRS.GOV website. I made this my all-to go-to resource ever since I've been in this industry for the last 21 years, 15 as a business owner. When it comes to me educate myself on things that I'm looking to learn new things I need to know for a client, things I need to know when it comes to updates and changes inside the industry. Whatever it is, IRS.gov is my go-to resource and tool that I leverage for learning and educating myself and also my coaching clients. So if you're looking to start a business, doing the research is the easy part. Being able to comprehend and understand and interpret the information is the challenge. And then having questions to everything that you want to have answered, but you have no one to go to get the answer from is another challenge. So that's why you must be willing to invest in yourself by investing in someone else's mentorship and coaching program, which is designed to help you get results much quicker, much faster, more efficient than you can ever get on your own, especially since you don't know the information in the first place. You're looking to learn the information and you want to be able to learn it and have someone on your team who can be there to support you on your journey to where you can learn and earn some money at the same time. So my coaching program, I have a special going on right now, which ends July the 7th. Well, it's normally $2,000. Right now is $1,500, $500 discount. And a few of the things you get inside my coaching program is if you need to learn how to prepare individual income taxes, I help you with that. I help you with the professional software aspect, help you with basic marketing aspects on how to go out and get clients. I give you support on how to set up your income tax preparation business from the front end as well as the back end, as far as having the right paperwork put in place so you can be considered a legit, credible tax preparation service by having documentation on file with the federal and state and local government, which is key to your credibility. So if somebody throw your business name inside Google or any search engine, you want it to come up because you've already established yourself in databases with your information as a business, regardless of what industry you might be in. So that's important. So when somebody types in my business name, I'm going to come up because I'm registered, I'm incorporated, I'm a S corp, and so and you can go to the state Illinois website, type in my business name, and check out my uh, file that's on there that shows me in good standings with my annual corporate report. So those things are important when it comes to people doing their research and due diligence on you before they decide to make a buying a personal decision based on whatever products or service you may offer. And since I'm in the service-based industry and I offer multiple services to different people, that's very important to them to know that this person is someone I found on the internet because he had positioned himself so to be found for people who looking to do research on him. So my social media accounts come up where you can go to each one and check me out. You know what I'm saying? And the most credible and popular one that I leverage is YouTube. So when people come to YouTube, find my videos, they get a chance to size me up right then and there by watching 1, 2, 5, 10, how many videos they need to watch to make that happen. That's what they do. So I picked up a potential new client for my videos on YouTube for the last 3 weeks who reached out to me. We talk, we chat. We're gonna follow back up with each other after the holiday, which is July the 4th, after Monday, and hopefully she's ready to take action and move forward. And so what I'm doing now is letting people know if you're looking to start your tax preparation business, this is the time to make it happen. Don't wait till fourth quarter where we only got 3 months left to try to squeeze all this information and tasks you need to be doing inside of 3 months and try to be ready for January. It's just unrealistic to put that type of challenge and pressure and frustration on yourself when you could have simply took action right now in July and made it happen over these next 5 months to where when January 2023 roll around, you walking with your head up in confidence because you've done the necessary action, you've done the necessary training to get yourself together and ready for the upcoming tax season. And that's important. And that's going to play a major role with you going out and talking to people and letting them know what you're about, what you had to offer, and what separates you from the rest of the so-called entrepreneurs that's providing the same or similar type of service. And that's really important in the times we live in, especially being online. There's a whole lot of noise. There's a whole lot of competition. You can run across 25 different people, men and women, who got a program on how to start your own bookkeeping business. Then you got another 25 people talking about how to start your own tax preparation business. So you got so many different people promoting the same type of programs that's supposed to help you get a result that, in my opinion, is unrealistic based on the fact that a lot of these people who are interested in these business options are new to being in business. And so the chance of you get the type of results they claim you can get is unrealistic in your case. So don't fall for the hype. Don't fall for the okie dokie. And I'm sure if you live long enough, you understood and understand and heard the saying, if it's too good to be true, it is. Because people will tell you you can make all this money in 3 months during tax season. And it's possible. Don't get me wrong. I've done it. I made 40,000 plus in 3 months, 5,000 in cash in one day, back when I first got started in 2006, 7. But the thing was, my results were not typical. The average person getting started won't produce those type of figures in the door for various reasons. And I'm gonna point out the reason why I was able to do it versus someone who won't be able to do it. And that is A, I was already in the industry working for 6 years. B, I already had clientele and an established following of people who knew, like, and trust me. So when I put the word out that I have my own tax service and I was cheaper than the competition, I made 40,000 plus with no problem. And going forward, I made that money just kept growing and growing and growing each year. And that's my story because I was positioned in a correct way. I was leveraged in the correct way. I was in a big city where no matter what direction you turned, you had hundreds of thousands of people to choose from who needed your services. You just had to go out and make it happen. And I did that year after year after year after year. And I'm still doing it 21 years later, 15 as a business owner. So if you're looking to start a tax preparation business, a coaching program can help you do that. And I also specialize with tax services with helping them with their bookkeeping. So if you're running a business, you need somebody to keep your books. Unless you know how to do that yourself, I specialize in working with independent tax preparation firms. And these are firms who mainly just provide tax preparation service. They don't provide accounting services. They don't provide any other real services but tax preparation. So that's the independent tax preparer that I specialize and work with who will need bookkeeping services if they want to grow their business and take it to a whole nother level by being able to see what they can't see because they don't have bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a vital, intricate part of growing your business because it gives you data that you can use to grow your business in a way that you can't grow your business because without data, you don't have a clue on how much money you're spending, how much profit you're making, uh, how t- what type of income you can produce, and what type of expenses you can save on because you don't have a snapshot of different financial information that bookkeeping allows you to produce by having someone watching and keeping over your financial future inside your business. So right now, I have a special going on with my bookkeeping services that I do, and I have a couple of tiers that small businesses and self-employed individuals might fall into, which I will talk about in another video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you like my content, please subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Uh, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of all my videos where you can join my email list so you can keep updated on what's happening in the industry as it relates to individual tax prep as well as tax pros. Regardless of what cap you in, I help keep you in the know when it comes to this industry in general. And so when it's all said and done, take action, take action, take action. And I'll see you in my next video.